Hey, 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 hey. Windows Movie Maker type shit. Looking corny type shit. Trying to make video nigga shit. Hey, Pinnacle shit. Mini DV 1330 cable. Ready, no. Cain and Abel. Lag you out. Halo 2 shit. Ready, no, I got the bag. What's good with your bitch? Staring at the kid. Ready, no, I'm. Ha. Hey. Yeah. Got the weight on deck. Hit my cellular device. You ready? No, I'm here to impress. What's up, guys? Thanks for returning to my channel. If you have not been on my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. What's up, guys? Thanks for coming back to my channel. If you have not been here, please like, comment, and subscribe. I got big news here. Just saw that my package came a day early, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna open up this first little box here. I would not recommend using a knife, but you know, I don't do anything right. This is a newer pistol grip. This is actually something I just kind of saw recommended. I've seen other shooters with these type of extra handles to their camera. I'm a clumsy type of motherfucker, so I figured why not get this? It holds fucking, you get double the battery life out of it. I went the cheap route. It's like a Canon that's fucking heavily breaded, but think about it. You know, this goes on. You got your controls and shit here. Decent. Like them already. Newer. Thank you. Sponsor me. Keep sending them to me. I'll use them. Alright. Just knifed my foot off. Let's hurry up and get to this. I don't want to waste people's time. So who wants to really watch me unbox something for 20 minutes? Alright. Whoa. A little more intense than I expected. This is nerve-wracking. Alright, so the first unveil, looks like we got a backpack. This cocksucker. Decent. Looks like you can hold shit up in this club. Let's give her an open really quick. Yo! Alright, decent, buddies. Backpack's down. What's next? Beastoid. Got a commander. External microphone. Very well. Amazon, thank you so much. That's cool. Alright, what's next? Decent. We got some lenses here. Customized shots. Definitely can bring out the beauty of the beast, you know? Like I'm ready. Ooh. What do we got here? Excellent. Wow. I couldn't have asked for anything else more in a camera kit. Tripod, decent, like Moretti. See if she stands. You know, those fucking Amazon guys got a long day ahead of them. They just want to go home and shit. Like Moretti. Very well. What's next? Guess we'll move this video along here. Travel charger. Amazon. Fucks with y'all heavy. Y'all doing your thing over there. What's this? More filters. For the lens. What do we call that? A flash. Decent. Oofa. Okay. This is a macro lens. I'm trying to get like really close up, I would assume. Cool. This looks like a camera strap. Comes with a little stock memory card. A couple other fancy shooting squeezy joints. Cool. Hey, Right on. Decent. Guess this is the moment that you're all waiting for. What camera did J5 get? What is he gonna bless his people with a 4K no cropping camera? Well, I will present you here a Canon 90D. It's a DSLR with a 32.5 megapixel sensor, which is very high tech these days. Did a lot of research, folks. If you look at my YouTube history, you'd think I'm sick. But hey, this is what I came to. Good starter camera, as I've been told. Looks like it comes with their charger, battery, cool. Strap. You know, like I said, I'm one of them clumsy ass motherfuckers, you mean? I know I'm getting a little fast here, but I'm itching. I want to see what's in this club. Ew. 18 to 55 out the box. That's good in between lens, if you wanted to know. If you're going like 18 to 55, that's a mid-range. If you're going like 70 to 300, that's a long john. So you're trying to catch a nigga from like, you know, from the outskirts. Damn, son. I'll calm down. Hey, you know, this calls for freestyle. What? Huh? Alright. So, in the hood for a long time, strapped up with a big 9, big extended shit, not like 6'9", ain't snitching on no niggas, you ready on it for the pull the trigger, I'ma see him, scuba hama hima, yeah. Alright, so, I'm excited as you can see, but this thing fucking bucks. Look at this thing. Guess that's what fucking, I don't even want to say it, but hefty price in these perks. If you want to look in the description below, I'll put the link to the camera. I won't hold out on you, but we're incentive, right? I got one more bonus. This one came earlier, but yeah, I got a gimbal. What of it? So I'll show you this really quick. See, the GoPro's about to die. Tough. You already know it's coming for the future. My guy. Got the wood grain on it, you feel me? Think a nigga be lacking with this shit out here? See? Got the tripod connector joint. You know, got a handle. Nigga get real true shots and shit, feel me? Got the handle. I mentioned I got the handle. Fucking neighbors probably listen to it well. Get the word out. So, that's my Canon 90D. Stay tuned, man. You don't know what's coming. You don't know what's coming, man. Real Jib 500 productions are coming, but guys, thanks for tuning in. Just want to really share this moment. I've been fucking plotting on this for a minute, but yeah, decent. Yeah, it's kind of like overwhelming to be straight up with you. So yeah. Caught me.